Welcome back, Mac and PC Prime Video. So today, I will be sharing 16 Windows Run commands that will be boosting your computer productivity on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. Without any further delay, let's quickly get started. So in order to bring up the Run command, either you can use the shortcut key. That is, by pressing the Windows and the R key from the keyboard, it will bring up the Run box over here on either. You can right-click on the Windows icon and click on Run. And go to Windows Search, type Run, and hit Enter. It will bring up the Run box over here on either. Both are very simple methods, okay? And now we are ready for all the Run command. And the very first one is the very simple command that will be helping you, is msinfo32. And if you click on OK, this will bring up the system configuration giving you all kind of detail about your computer, like which your operating system you are using. What is the BIOS version? What is the processor? What is your physical memory about your virtualization page file? Not only this, from the left-hand side, you can even view the hardware resources component and its soft environment. Next is msconfig. If you type msconfig and click on OK, so this will bring up the system configuration. Very useful tool. So from here you can manage the startup of your computer. You can go to the boot section. If you want to boot your computer in the safe mode with networking, then you can do that. You can even manage the services. You can disable them. You can manage the startup. Then you have other tools that you can use from here only. Then we have OSC, very useful command. Just type OSC key and hit the Enter key. This will bring up the on-screen keyboard. If some keys on our laptop keyboard are not working, we can use this option and use the on-screen keyboard. Now with the next command, we can basically clean all the junk file from the computer, and that is clean MGR other than the key. So this will bring up this disk cleanup option here, where you can select the file that you want to delete. Like all kind of cache, all kind of temporary file you can delete directly from here. If you also want to delete the recycle bin, empty it. You can also select it, select all the other option and click on OK, then it will ask you the permission. So click on Delete Files and the process of cleaning the drive from all kind of garbages will be started. So once you know this command, you can quickly run it and get rid of all the temporary files and junk from your computer. Alright, so now our next run command is a very powerful tool. So just type a simple command that will be MRT and click on OK, or hit the Enter key. And it will bring up the Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool, a very powerful tool to remove all kind of viruses and malware from your device. So if you also have Open like me, then do not forget to run it at least. So click on Next, and it gives you 3 different options. Quick scan for this can be customized. If you want to do it quickly, then you can go with the first option. Click on Next. Now it will be looking for any kind of malware viruses on your computer, and it will let you know. And even you can delete it using this method. Next one is to bring up the registry editor. So just type regedit and hit the Enter key. Again, if asked for the permission, click on Yes, and this will bring up the registry editor on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. And so like a registry editor. And now with the next command, you can bring up the performance monitor on your computer with the one simple run command. So type here perfmon.msc and just read the entire key. This will quickly bring up the performance monitor. This is another useful and a very amazing tool of Windows 11 that will be helping you in terms of ways to find out that what exactly is going on, what kind of activity is going on, what is the total utilization data collected set. Many options are being given him. Next is DCCW, and if you hit the Enter key after typing this command, this will bring up the Display Color Calibration. Amazing tool, and it says Welcome to Display Color Calibration. And if you click on Next, and you could read here to get started and set basic color setting for your display, press the menu button for your display, the menu button usually located in front of your monitor. Alright, so this is the tool to help you to manage the color setting of your Windows monitor. Alright, I am not going in the depth. Next command is resmon. You hit the Enter key. This will bring up the resource monitor. Previously, we opened the Performance Monitor, and this will bring up the Resource Monitor that will be helping you to know that what kind of resources are being occupied by what kind of application. Either it is for the CPU, for the memory, for the disk, or even for the network. Very useful command in order to do any kind of troubleshoot, knowing that what exactly is consuming your bandwidth or what exactly is consuming of CPU or memory. Next is ncpa.cpl, and if you click on OK, this will quickly bring up the network connection displaying all kind of available network adapter on your computer. So many times you have to do any kind of troubleshooting. You have to make any kind of changes. Like if you have to change the DNS address or if you want to change your IP, then you have to come to this location. You need to make a right-click on it, go to Properties Internet Protocol version 4, and from here you can change the DNS address or the static IP even. There are many more settings that you can apply, like disabling the power management or making changes with the network adapter. So this command also you should know because it helps you many times to quickly bring up the network connection adapter. So the next command is firewall.cpl. And if you want to bring up the firewall on your computer, I have this command. Hit the Enter key. And this will bring up the Windows Defender firewall quickly on your computer. From where you can manage the firewall, like you can enable it, you can disable it. You can set any kind of policies, exceptions, whatever you want to do. Now, with the next command, you can manage your disk on your computer. So type diskmgmt.msc, and this will bring up the disk management. And I am very sure that all of you know about this disk management. So here you can do tons of things, like you can shrink the volume, you can create the partition, you can delete the partition, you can convert any kind of unallocated space to a simple volume, and many other things that you can do. And so like the disk management, if you want to open the device manager like dvmgmt.msc, so basically dev stands for device, mgmt stands for management. So type dev mgmt, msc, click on OK. And this will bring up the device manager on your computer from where you can manage all kind of your devices or drivers. You can uninstall them, you can update them, or you can view them whether it's working properly or not. Next is char map, and hit the Enter key. So this will bring up the character map on the computer. So if you want to use any kind of character while writing something like any kind of email blog, or you are chatting with someone or anywhere, if you want to use a special character, you can just bring up this box here by a simple command that was a char map and use any kind of character listed over here. Next command is PSR, very simple command. And once you hit the OK or the Enter key, you will find that it will bring up the tape recorder. And its tape recorder is basically another amazing feature of Windows 11 that will be helping you to record each and everything that you do on the computer. This is basically used when you want to send someone that what kind of problem you have. You can basically record all the setting and send to them. I believe that most of you know about it, but if you don't know, then let me know in the comments section. Alright, and now with the next command you can open up Add or Remove Program from where you can directly uninstall any kind of application. So type appwiz.cpl and click on OK. This will bring up the program, add a feature listing all kind of application installed on a computer. It only displays the third-party application that you have installed and does not display any kind of bloatware. Not only that, from the left-hand side you can click on Turn Window feature on or off, and from here you can turn any Windows feature on or off like Hyper-V, Virtual Machine Platform, and many other. Okay, so that's all for today. And hopefully all these 16 commands will be surely helping you to become pro on your Windows PC and laptop to quickly access many useful applications with a simple command. And if you liked the video guys, please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.